Alphonse FOKOU, the guy who was born in the same village with Francis Ngannou in Cameroon, the village called Bati. Sunday, guys. Today is so windy. It's actually very windy around here. I'm coming live from Johannesburg, in the south of Johannesburg. It's very windy here. But this video is actually a walking video. It's just to say to you, thank you for being supporting the channel. Thank you for being supporting my effort. Thank you to be here. Thank you for being part of this family. Thank you, guys. If you're actually new to this channel, please do subscribe. We are on our way for 30,000 subscribers. The way the house is built, yeah. We are in the south. We are not actually in the best part of Johannesburg, but we are in the average part of Johannesburg. So these are complexes, and then that's how the complexes is, you know. Guys, let me show you something. Check this board. I want to show you this because yeah, as you can see, the complex like this one I'm showing you, this complex is on sale. One bedroom is already like 700,000 rand. I appreciate those who have been subscribing to the channel, those who have been supporting me from the beginning. I also appreciate those who just subscribe now, and then I wish you, if you are not subscribed, you can subscribe at the moment, because this channel is for you. This is where we're going to talk about business. This is where we're going to talk about entrepreneur. This is where we're going to talk about traveling. This is where we're going to share knowledge. We're going to share our experience in business. We're going to create visibility on your business. This is where actually we're going to talk about you as the African diaspora. So if you like what I do, like I say, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Alphonse FOKOU, for those who are new at the channel. You know, every day we got new subscribers. This is the way I am today. I'm just walking, as you can see. See my shoes. I'm just walking like this. So this is the entrance of that place, as you can see here. This is the entrance. DSTV is competing with YouTube. DSTV is competing with Facebook. DSTV is competing with social media. And we thought that it would be very good for DSTV to bring out an application whereby you can subscribe. You can subscribe to their program without actually being the owner of the dish, without being the owner of the decoder. And you can actually take your phone and do some subscription and start paying online and get access to their program. Because today everyone is using cell phone. Most of people are using cell phone. Most of people are busy on their phone than the television. So that could be a great. Guys, you are in Nigeria, you are in Zimbabwe, you are in Ghana, you are in Kenya, you are in Africa, you are in Malawi, we are in Mozambique. You are using DSTV. Tell me about the cost of the DSTV in your country. Let's share in this channel, guys. Like I'm saying, I'm here at I am in the south. As you can see, this complex, that's how they are. Yeah, on Sunday it's very interesting to be here. Most of the time in the suburb, you're not going to find people walking on the street. I mean, check the way the street is. We are on Sunday, that's true, but everyone is in his own apartment. You go out most of the time with the car. It's not actually a common thing to find people on the street. I'm on the street because I want us to laugh. Don't forget, guys, I'm here for the entertainment. If I find a way of bringing some smile on your face this weekend, I will do. Through my lens, I'm showing you how the south of Johannesburg look like. I'm showing you how some complexes look like. And this place, you can actually be the owner of one of those flats in the complexes. You just need to be qualified. You have to be a willing buyer, okay? Sorry to say that. For those who think that in Africa there's no road, those who think that in Africa there's no electricity, those who think that in Africa there's no houses, those who think that in Africa we live amongst animals. Guys, look, this place, for instance, how does it look like to you? How this place look like to you? I still tell you that we are in Johannesburg. We are in Johannesburg South in South Africa, and this place is not actually the most beautiful suburb. It's just an ordinary suburb. I will have a chance to visit the most beautiful place in Johannesburg, even in South Africa, with you guys. That's why you need to subscribe on this channel. Let me walk from here to the mall and to show you exactly how it's not easy to live around without a car. It's not actually easy to live here without a car, because to go to your nearest shopping center you need to drive. To go to a nearest shopping center you have to drive. If you don't drive, you will walk like me. You're going to walk like me if you don't drive. Guys, this is a property seller. These people actually in charge of this complexes here. They are the one who's in charge of the complex. So if you want to buy, you buy from them. If you want to rent, you rent from them. Okay? So we're going to have a big entrance. You see, Balboa Park. We're going to have a good entrance like that with everything. Hello, Chief.
Sure.
You're right. How's the day today? You have to try. Sorry? Oh. No, maybe next time when you're coming on. I'm just trying to walk around. When I come back, maybe. Okay. All right. Sharp, ne? Okay, guys. He's a security guard. So in the entrance of each complex, we're going to have a security at the gate. Guys, please do give a like to the video, share the video. But I want to show you something. The complex I'm coming from is up there at the beginning of the road. It's actually the first complex on top there. If you're living around, it's better for you to have a mean of transport. So now I'm going down. If I was driving, I'll be going like this. I'll be going like this, follow this road. But because I'm going to use the shortcut, in Africa we use the shortcut. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to come back this side. I'm going to use the shortcut now to go to the gate. So I'm not going to use this road. I'm not going to be using this road. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go down here. Guys, I'm leaving the Thai road. You see, that is my road there. But I'm using this one. You see, it's not a bush. It's just a part of the glen. Okay? See the way it look like, guys. Wow. Today is Sunday. I'm walking to the glen. My walk to the glen. Okay? To the shopping mall. I'm joining that road here. I'm joining the road I left up there. Yeah. So now you see my shortcut lead me to this place. You see my shortcut lead me to this place. The shortcut lead me to this place. Guys, I want to show you something. The whole complex here, each flat got a dustbin like this. They got dustbin like this. Each flat got a dustbin like this. So all your trash, all the trash of the house, we collect it, we put in different dustbin like this. And today is Sunday. So the collection of pickup is Monday. So this place, the whole complex will bring their boxes here on Sunday, so that on Monday the trucks will come and collect this. I can show you. Down there like this is a highway. This is a highway, and the car will be going in the high speed. And then you can see that side there, and there. It's very high, guys. It's not easy for you to fall here. You see, it's not easy to fall. It's very strong. So like this, and you guys can see. Let me show you how the bridge is going out there, that side. So you can cross actually the highway, and then you go down here, as you can see down there, going down there like this. Okay, so the bridge help people to cross the highway. We're in the south of Johannesburg. It's good to be an African, guys. Check ya. Good to be an African. Very good. So yeah, remember I was coming from up there, and now we're gonna go back down. Actually, we are here in the entrance of Glenville. Glenville is another complex, residence complex, whereby you can live in. So this will bring the security. Give a like to the video. We have an interesting story on this Sunday in the south of Johannesburg. As I'm walking, going to the mall, you know, Sunday is a day of entertainment. Is a day of entertainment. So you know, also in this channel, it's not only about technology, it's not only about entrepreneur, it's not only about business, it's also about entertainment. From the complex to the Glen, I show you the bridge which allow people to cross over the highway. Remember, on the highway the speed of the car is very high, so the car go on the high speed, so actually we cannot cross. I can cross here because it's not a highway, but over there is a highway. That's why I show you the bridge who can allow people who are walking like me to go over that side, because you actually need to cross that bridge to be that side. Okay guys, if you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. We are on the way for 30,000 subscribers. Yes, we are on our way of 30,000 subscribers, and we are on our way of above 3 million views on the channel. So guys, do that. Support. I need your support, guys. Please, I need your support. Share the video and let's be part of the family. I'll be soon now in the Glen. Be aware that we need your support. And for those who doesn't know me, my name is Alphonse Fokou. The guy was born in the same village with Francis Ngannou in Cameroon, and the village called Batie. So I'm here to give you a great content. See this one, guys. So when you have a board like this, you can advertise in this board. Glen Eagle. Yeah, I'm at the Glen now. So guys, that has been a journey. So I have to walk till this place, most of the suburb in Johannesburg. And if you don't have a car, it could be difficult. It could be difficult to go to the shop. So for me to come to the shop, I actually have to walk. Why? Because I wanted to show you how it's like walking to the shop, living in the Glen. So we are in the shopping mall, the Glen. I'm not going to visit the whole shopping mall for you. Actually, I will be going back home. After I do my shopping, I'll be going home. Always say, I need your support, guys. For those who are new in this channel, please do subscribe. Many of us are watching the video without being subscribed. Subscribe to the video. Let me see you in my next video. Let us be a strong family. See you. Thank you. Let me show you something. The parking in this mall, you pay the parking. So always get your ticket when you are driving, and you can see here, this is the price. This is the price. From 0 to 15 minutes you pay 10 rand. You need to take your ticket when you are going in. You take your ticket, and when you are coming back here, you pay the ticket inside, and then you go out with your car. All right, that is another thing I wanted to show you here. So this place is the in and out of the mall. Yeah, those one is the underground parking. Underground parking. Guys, if you like what I'm doing, please do subscribe. Please guys, don't disappoint me. I really need your support.